I'm doing a quick road trip to Havana today, so perfect occasion to go through this discovery kit by Santa Maria Novella. On our way we'll also be stopping by Hemingway's house for a quick visit, so join me on this smelly sunny trip. The discovery set includes 8 of their classic fragrances, which are all colognes. So fresh and lighter type fragrances. I'm gonna skip Aqua de la Regina because I recorded several videos on this one, so make sure you check those ones out. So first we have Frisia, which is a musky floral. It opens with the fresh and clean scent of Frisia, but opens to a deeper heart with the inclusion of violet, rose absolute, iris, and musk. It smells clean, powdery, fresh, and soapy. Next we have Rosa Gardenia, which is a floral, fruity, and slightly sweet scent. It smells soft, creamy, and very uplifting. I actually couldn't stop smelling this one. I really like this one. Next we have Rosa Novella, which is a spicy floral. This one smells much more like an elevated perfume with the inclusion of rose, jasmine, counterpointed with patchouli, sandalwood, and cedarwood. Next we have Angeli di Firenze, which was created in commemoration of the 40th anniversary of the Florence flood. A fruity ozonic fragrance with a peachy and marine-like opening. It's sweet, aquatic, slightly powdery, with slight berry-like qualities. There's a bit of cologne but in moderation. And we're here at Hemingway's flat in Cuba. It's a beautiful villa surrounded by tropical gardens. His office and desk face an incredible view of Havana, and there are books literally everywhere. I just love these hanging flowers. You can't actually walk inside, but all the windows are open and you can take a good look at all the airy spaces. I strongly recommend this stop if you're ever in Cuba. Like and follow for part 2, there are 3 more perfumes to go.